Hi, I'm Rich Bruckner with Inside HPC, and I'm here with Steve Barber, CEO of Xyratex. Steve, who is Xyratex and who do you help?
Hi, Rich. We're a leading OEM provider of data storage products and solutions. We've been in business as a public company for the last 6 years or so, but have 25 years of history. In 2011, we shipped over 4 exabytes of storage, so we're a pretty major player, albeit an OEM provider, and therefore providing our technology through major customers into this industry.
Now, Steve, you guys are, at least the name Xyratex is a relatively new one in the HPC space. Where is Xyratex going in HPC?
When we look at opportunities for growth in the business, we saw a number of areas where Xyratex could add value to customers to access certain niche vertical markets. And when we started to look at a number of these areas, the HPC market really stood out as an area where we saw an opportunity to provide scalable, modular, ease of use features into our product solutions. And looking and really built upon our modular capability in the data storage OEM sector to create what we think is a pretty compelling solution to address the needs of the HPC marketplace. From a Xyratex standpoint, we're pretty excited by the position we're in so far. I think our Lustre 3000 platform has been extremely well received so far. So the feedback from Supercomputing 11 was pretty positive, both from our OEM partners that we're currently engaged in discussions with, as well as end users. And really, I think the opportunity right now for us is to ensure that we execute on that expectations that are set in the marketplace, and continue to evolve that platform going forward around the particular needs that our OEM partners see with regard to end user applications.
Now, I'm curious about your strategy in that was acquisition, was it a natural to go with acquisition, or were there other avenues?
When we looked at what was needed to serve that market, we clearly recognized we had a lot of strength in core data storage hardware. We have a long history of enclosure management capability, which we brought to bear into this platform, but did recognize that to really serve the needs of this marketplace, that the sector required a solution. And when we looked at the landscape in that space, Lustre file management systems was clearly seen to be a very, very major part of it. And therefore, as part of that journey, we did move forward with an acquisition of Lustre as a Lustre provider in that space to really assist us bringing together a complete solution. And I think that has really paid to our advantages in the end, where we do have now a complete integrated modular and scalar solution, both hardware and file management system, but bringing together a very, very compelling platform.
So when you did the acquisition of Lustre, you brought in Peter Brahm, known as the father of Lustre. How important is Lustre to your strategy in HPC?
Fundamental. Lustre is clearly a key factor in that sector. The commitment we've put behind it, the ongoing investment in building our capability in that area, building our skill base, clearly drawing on Peter's expertise in the area to set our roadmaps and direction, the whole direction towards exascale computing, and the needs of that sector. We are clearly looking for Peter's guidance and direction to assist us in that, at the same time being totally committed to supporting our customers today with Lustre, with a pretty strong and impressive team now, both developing internally as well as supporting our customers through Lustre support programs.